Okay, so we saw how great this manual food processor works on smoothies with frozen fruit. Now I'm going to make a blizzard. So I am just going to use about 3 scoops of ice cream. This is chocolate and vanilla. And I think I'll do a Kit Kat blizzard. I'm gonna, again, I just feel like this for 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons. Also, the lines are pretty close, if not exact, is a good starting point. So I'm just gonna put that in there because you do want a little bit of liquid in there too. So the blizzard I made for Justin last night, he did say it was a little more on the runny side than he likes. So I'm modifying that a little bit here and trying to make this one just a little bit thicker, but it's a good idea to do the ice cream and the milk beforehand. Just looking at what's going on outside there. I'm not sure. It's a vehicle right out there. I don't think it's any of ours though. Alright, I'm gonna see how that's looking. But that is getting mixed up good. I might have to add a little more milk. That would be Caitlin. Tell her I'm just about done. We're gonna go dress shopping. If I didn't say, she has her wedding dress ordered, and I'm gonna go look for mine, and we're gonna go do a little bit of shopping together. So. Okay, and I'm gonna add some Kit Kats to this now.
Yes. So you'll have to make another trip. I know.
I'm going to save one for decoration. All right. Tell her. Do you hear the Kit Kats being ground up in there? Those blades are really working. My arm's going to get a good workout doing all of these at once. And then once in a while you might get something stuck on a blade. It's just, if you want, you can open this up, reposition it. If not, just add a little extra muscle power to work through it. All right, we'll do a little more. Normally you won't be making 4 recipes back to back, probably not with this, but if you wanted to, of course you can. And here's some more Kit Kats being ground up in there. All right. But to me, this works so much nicer than getting out a big blender and mixing it up with a blender. And this way, a little bit of muscle power never hurt anybody, especially when it's kind of quick and easy like that. So there is a Kit Kat blizzard, and of course that can be modified to your liking too. But thank you for watching these videos, and I enjoyed showing you all the different ways, some of the different ways that you can use the manual food processor. I will put a link to that and the other items that I also demonstrated, but this is kind of the one I wanted to feature because it is on such a good deal through the end of the month. Thank you so much. Take care and have a great rest of your day. Now I get to go dress shopping.